Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add expire headers in your WordPress website. So first of all, we need to go in our hosting account. I have got hosting from a2hosting.com. Let me log in, and after that here you can see the hosting packages. Let me go in the cPanel. And after that, now I need to go in the file manager. Here you can see file manager. Now scroll down, and here you can see these are the list of websites that I have added in the cPanel. So now I want to add expire headers in this website. Let me go, and after that here you can see htaccess. So if you don't see this file here, just you can go in the settings, then click show hidden files, then save. After that right click, then edit. Now here you can add expire headers code. You can go on this website, simply scroll down, and after that you can copy this code, expire headers, then you can add this code here. After that click save changes. So sometimes this code not work for some websites, then after that you can try another method. The second method is you need to log in into your website. Let me go on the login page. After that, the next step is we need to go in the plugin sections, install a plugin. Here you can search for expire headers. Then you will get a free plugin. You can easily install this plugin, and after that you can use that. So this is the plugin, simply install it. And after that activate it. Now let's go in the plugin settings. Scroll down, and here you can see you can keep the value of 5, 2, 3, 4, whatever days. Then after that final step is click on the submit button. In this way you can easily add expire headers in your WordPress website.